Hi everyone and welcome to Henrik's Restorations. In this episode I will continue my work on the Range Rover and we will remove the floor section and then eventually the air condition. In the meanwhile, make sure to click like and subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to support me via monthly donation, you can find the link to my Patreon site in the description. So enjoy the episode. So this beam, the cross beam here, it was pain, and it has a bolt here and has like a bolt with a pin, but I couldn't get the pin out because it was rusted out, so I broke it, and then a bolt is stuck there, so I had to do the nut under here instead. So now we can lift everything up, so hopefully there's just some bolt left somewhere and we can just deattach everything and just get it out. Hi everyone, we are back. We have some updates. So today I've been dismounting the air condition. So the air condition is here and that is out, and that is so I could reach those. But now I see they are not bolted from the inside, they are bolted from the outside. Dang it! But at least we got the air conditioner out, so we got plenty of room now. I don't know how to reach those. I need to do some research and figure out a way how to get those bolts out. I'll be back. Okay, so I got sort of a plan. You see the bolt there in the middle of screen. that I use a 12 millimeters and just try to reach in here. I don't know what that was. Reach in here, just a small not even quarter of a circle, it's like an eighth of a turn, and just try to get it out. And I think it will be dropping very, very soon, or I drop my wrench very, very. Wow, that was not fun at all. Oh my god. So we made some success. I managed to get that big floor section out, and this was heavy as a mother. That was a big step to get that floor pan out. See here, I think this have been converted from a right-hand drive to a left-hand drive. The car is getting split in more and more pieces, you know. Good, but also a bit frightening, since I don't know what I'm doing. That's about it. I don't know how long episode this will be, but we managed to get the air conditioner out, the AC unit. We got the big floor section out. We did a bunch of stuff, and all of these things are stuff that I've never done, so it's quite time consuming for me to just find where to unscrew the bolt, and especially the bolt that I had to go from the engine bay and just tuck a wrench and just screw a little bit at a time. But that is it for this episode. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you really stay to the end and enjoy the progress, even though it might be a slow one. I don't know what the next step will be, but I'm very, very close to wash the car in my garage to get rid of all the oil and stuff. That could be a bit tricky. As I said, thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. And if you want to support me, I got a Patreon site that you can pay a small amount to me monthly. That will help me buy parts and get this project going. And I also got some stickers going on, so just wait another episode or two and I'll have some stickers that you can buy to support the channel. Enough talking from me now, but thank you so much again, and click like on this video. That will help me in the algorithm, and also please subscribe so you don't miss any of my exciting episodes on the Range Rover, and eventually also on the BMW that we got on my right side. Thank you so much again. I'll see you in the next episode. Ciao! watch some football. Spain, Germany. Ciao!